Hey guys, what's up? Siddharth here, and today I'll be unboxing the iPhone 11. As you guys know, the iPhone 11 just got out, and I just received my iPhone like a couple of minutes ago. And as you know, the iPhone 11 comes in six different colors, and they are like black, white, green, yellow, purple, and red. And personally, I prefer the red one. In my opinion, it looks a lot more beautiful than all the other colors available. A lot of people also like the green color. One thing I noticed here is that the red color in the iPhone 11 and the red color in the iPhone XR is not the same. So the iPhone 11 is a more lighter shade of red compared to the iPhone XR, and it's towards little towards the pink side. And I wish they had the dark red like they had in the iPhone XR, which was a lot more beautiful than this one. Still a good color. It's still better than all the other options available, but still I would prefer if they had a much darker version of this. So let's just dive in and see what we got in the box. As you can see, the box is in white color, and it has a beautiful iPhone red on top of it. And the box feels pretty premium and built of good quality. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The first thing we see is the iPhone 11, and as you can see, the color is not as dark as the iPhone XR was. It is little brighter shade of red, and it's a little bit towards the pink side. It's still beautiful, but I would have preferred it to be a little darker. Let's just keep it on the side while we see what all other things are there in the box. So we get here we have the SIM ejector tool, some information brochures, the Apple sticker, and some more information brochure. Let's just keep it on the side because we don't need them. So we get the lightning earphones with this, and they are the normal wired lightning earpods. They are not the worst, they are certainly not the best either. They are pretty much on the decent side. Let's just keep it on the side and see what else is there. We have the USB-A to lightning cable, and the reason for that is we have the USB-A charger, and this is a normal 5-watt USB charger, which in my opinion is pretty slow, and I personally wouldn't use it to charge my iPhone, as I have more powerful chargers lying around. So the iPhone 11 supports fast charging up to 18 watts, and charging it with a 5-watt charger doesn't really make sense to me because it will take like double, like it's not linearly proportional. So from what I've seen on the internet, it takes like 4 hours to charge on this 5-watt charger, and around 2.5 hours to charge from 18-watt charger. And 18 watt is the maximum speed at which this iPhone can charge at. So personally, I wouldn't be using this. And if you buy the iPhone 11 Pro or the iPhone 11 Pro Max, you'll be getting a 18-watt charger included in the box, and that will be a Type C charger. So instead of having a USB A port, you would be having a USB Type C port here, and which is a lot better in my opinion. Um, so yeah, let's get back to the iPhone. As you can see, I opened the iPhone and I spent some time setting it up so that I can show you the phone. From from the few minutes of using it, for what I see is the back is a fingerprint magnet. Just if you can see the fingerprints, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on the camera, but there are a lot of fingerprints on the back, and that's just from like a few minutes of using it. It has Face ID, and I have set it up so it should unlock after seeing my face. And it doesn't. Let's see. and it does. So I think it takes some time. And yeah, this is let's see which version of iOS this is running. As you can see, it is running on the iOS version 13, and which is good. It was a huge update from the iPhone iOS version 12, so that's a good thing that's running on iOS 13 right out of the box. So let's so this is I'll be posting a complete review of this phone soon, and I'll be also comparing this phone with the uh, Galaxy S10e, which is approximately around the same pricing range. And I'll also be posting a charging speed test to get the exact numbers on how much time it takes from charging the iPhone from 0 to 100% using the 5-watt charger that's included in the box compared to a 18-watt fast charger. And I'll post the charging results on my channel soon. So that's it for me today, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you like the video, please press the like button. If you want to see my upcoming video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.